Do I need to install a virtual environment? No, you don't need to install a separate virtual environment. However, using a virtual environment can help avoid potential issues caused by different operating systems and versions. Virtualization ensures that your main operating system remains untouched, preventing any conflicts with your running system or installed applications when setting up development tools. Why is this course using a virtual environment? This course uses a virtual environment with a clean Ubuntu installation to ensure that the installation and configuration process is successful for all students. Since installations and configurations can differ based on operating systems, their versions, and system-specific factors, such as missing configurations, incompatible software versions, or conflicts with newer or older versions, a virtual environment provides a consistent, controlled setup. This minimizes these issues and ensures that students can focus on learning without worrying about software compatibility problems. What if I don't want to use a virtual environment? You can directly install and configure the software and tools used in this course on your system by following the official installation instructions for your version of the operating system. However, please note that this course does not provide guidance for software installation and configuration on operating systems other than those covered in the course. Alternatively, you can choose to use only a web browser with an online playground to learn C#, without the need for any additional installations or configurations.